Want to learn how you can make some money on Black Friday? Watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to show you a way that you can make some money this Black Friday, and really probably any Black Friday. But before we get into that, if you are serious about starting your own online business and making a passive income, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity, both links in the description of this video. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. Alright, you probably heard, well, I'm pretty sure you heard of the company that I'm about to talk about that can actually make you some nice extra income, might even turn to a full-time income. And what I'm talking about is Uber. Alright, Uber. This will be a perfect time if you got a car or have access to a vehicle and you got a decent driving record. This would be the time to earn some extra money, especially on Black Friday. Why? Because think about it. Black Friday, you get a lot of people coming in, you know, from out of town. A lot of people aren't driving. A lot of people aren't having their own vehicles, and they're gonna be wanting to get around to different places, especially that Black Friday night, right? When people want to go shopping and things like that, there's going to be thousands of people out, and there's going to be thousands of people that need transportation because they want to get, somewhere. Maybe they're splitting up and they want to, go to different stores and different whatever. And that's where you can actually come in and drive them around and get paid. So not only just on Black Friday, this will work. Think about that whole weekend, that whole Thanksgiving weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Once again, a lot of people in town, a lot of people aren't going to have their own vehicles, so they're probably going to be taking Uber, right? And this is where you can cash in, guys. So even if you want to even do it strictly for the holidays, this can really help you out, bringing in some extra cash. But this Black Friday, this be the time to do it, guys. This be the time to jump on. So if you ever thought about Uber, or maybe you didn't think about it, you can do it. All right. So link in the description. It says become an Uber driver. I said driver. Check it out, guys. You can get started today and be all ready to make some money. Black Friday. Another little tip, because I've taken Uber before. Like when I talk to different drivers and stuff, like you want to kind of be close to the action, right? Because you get those calls coming in, you get the notifications coming in that people need rides. So be around the malls, be around the shopping centers around the holiday season, if you don't mind, getting that money. All right. So guys, link in the description. Be sure to comment, share this video if you liked it, thumbs up, and subscribe. Hit that notification, little thing everybody tell you to do. All right. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.